Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can remove the v.io watermark. So I'm just going to select create a new project, and you can upload files here or start with AI. I'll do like a video generated one. Just going to wait for the video to load. And I'll just pause it and I'll be right back when it's done. Okay, so we're back. Once you're done, you're going to select the done button here, and you're just going to select remove watermark. You do need to subscribe to the app itself, but that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!